If you're looking for ready for occupancy unit here in Grand Park Place Village, ito yung isa sa ready for occupancy unit namin. Tara, pasokin natin. Yung total lot area ng property na to is 150 square meters and then yung floor area is 197. Meron tayo ng vehicular carport gate and ito yung ating pedestrian gate. Meron tayo ditong house number. And pagpasok mo, meron tayo ditong mga inside or pocket gardens. Ito yung ating carport area na kayang mag-accommodate up to 2 cars. Ito naman yung left side ng unit natin which is roughly 2 meters wide yung ating setback dito and kasama sa package natin yung ating fence. Kasama rin naman yung ating water tank. And ito yung space natin dito sa service area para sa iyong washer and dryer. May space na tayo dyan or may provision na tayo dyan. And this is our service area and dun sa ilalim yun yung ating grease trap. Ito naman sa area na to, ito yung space natin for our lanay. Kita nyo naman, naka-pebble type flooring tayo. And meron tayong sliding door from our dining. Tara naman sa loob. Welcome naman sa loob na ating unit. Bago tayo pumasok is meron pa tayo ditong porch area. And tara sa loob. Ito yung magsaserve as your living or receiving area. Kita nyo naman, meron pa tayo ditong accent wall or meron tayo ditong fluted panels. Ito naman yung ating space for your dining or dining area which is meron tayong access going to our lanay. And this is our kitchen area. For our kitchen area, included yung ating overhead cabinets and as well as under counter. And naka-granite countertop tayo dito or granite tiles. And meron tayo ditong stainless pull-out para sa ating pantry cabinets. And this is our ground floor bedroom na perfect kung meron tayong kasama na elderly o kaya naman mga tao na hindi kayang makaakyat sa second floor. Ang maganda dito is may access to papunta sa ating common toilet and bath. Ito yung ating common toilet and bath. So this is our dry area and dito yung ating wet area. A complete set of fixtures to and naka-jack and Jill access tayo. Ayan, dito tayo. Yan yung isa nating access which is dadalhin ka dito. Tara naman sa second floor.